The Walrus and the Warwolf. What a disastrous couple. The king drank some more blood. A little drip from his lips to his leather trousers. "You're right," said King Tor. "Those were but boyish pranks. I'll let you off lightly. We'll have you birched in public today. You spend tonight buried to the neck in the public dung heap. 12 morning we'll put you in a boat. If you release from shore, you'll be thrown overboard. That's my justice." Drake knew he'd got a good deal. What he didn't know that this was only the start of a long journey which would take him from his home and his love, and that he would have to endure for far worse before either could be regained. Chronicles of an Age of Darkness, Volume 4, the big one, my favourite normally. Draketon, Droll Dragon Douay, the genius of Hugh Cook's beastly Babel builder, and latter stories which he didn't get to, he has a telephone number called Babel. It's in his website notes. He's a pirate after Zanya Cledavalst. I think she's read it as well. Sailing around Argon. His maps are, basic maps, but they've got a style to them. I assume he probably did them. Hugh Cook probably didn't. I write Hugh Cook fan fiction, of course. Hugh Cook fan fiction website and stuff. YouTube channels. Adventures in Life of Hugh Cook and Hugh Cook fan fiction. There's two of them. I've got two of them for some strange reason. Just way it goes. Massive. Ex-library. Corgi publisher. Although he self-published them as well later. And, I've got 9 of the 10 volumes here in Queenstown. But there's I still have the 10th volume. The Witchful of Weapon Master is hard to get, usually. I got a full set of all 10 though in the Chicola Farmstead stuff. We'll read a bit. The cat prudently stayed hidden. Oh no, just wait. Here we go. What they do to my cat? He said. Andrew Navori got hold of it, said Drake. He was going to push it into the stove. That's just like Navori, said Well Mike. He's not so good, he drink too much. But the cat fought back, said Drake. Man, that's a beautiful cat you got there. I love cats. That good, said Well Mike, stroking his cat and kissing it once again. That mean you smart. All smartest people like cats, not like dogs. That dog, that stupid animal for stupid people. Verily, said Drake. And before he slept, he helped to make slander dogs at length and in detail, and praise for the race of cats. Sarcasm, loss of it, mockery, wit, adventure, beastly boys doing beastly things. Pirates! Classic fantasy, the best in the business.